Hi friends, you want to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty and you're looking for the right levels where you have to buy and sell and what is the strategy to be done, how actually the market is behaving. Let's actually look at this in detail, what exactly is happening in the market and how you should look at taking your trade. If you're still not a part of my YouTube channel, this is Sriharsha from Crazy Money with Sri. I am a author, trader and investor. I am actually helping you to understand about the levels and how actually you need to work on. And so let's actually get started. Let's look at what is happening today. See, if you look at this, I've told you market is more sell on rallies, but at the same time, at the lower level, especially in Nifty, we are seeing good amount of follow through which is coming in, follow through buying which is coming in, which means that the market is trying to absorb all the selling which is happening in the market. If I have to look at the uh, global market is still looking a little more weaker, especially the European markets are looking more weaker, and the US market is also looking a little weaker. But the Indian markets are looking extremely strong and more likely to move on the. It will be more on the sideways move. I don't expect any extraordinary move on the upside. This week will be more or less between 17,200 at the lower end to 17,500 the higher end. I don't expect any extraordinary move to happen, especially now. This is a truncated week, only 3 days for expiry. So let's see how actually things are placed at this point of time. If you see today low, whatever has been made, it has made a higher low, and it has actually been able to close above 17,350. So which is a positive thing from the point of view of Nifty. So Nifty is showing some strength, and until unless we are above 17,300, 350, uh, there is a very high possibility that it is going to retest the 17,430 level, which is the high, and probably it may go a little beyond that. So if we open itself around 17,400, 430, and we get a lot of selling pressure, then there is a lot of challenge. But by any chance it opens about today's high and is able to sustain 17,350, then there is a very high possibility again. See, I am expecting market to move somewhere. More likely tomorrow is a little on the positive side, and for that, the 17,300 and 350, these are two important levels to hold. As long as we are above that, market should actually try to test the previous highs which has been made, or probably little higher from there, and that is where again a selling pressure can arise. If I have to look at the bank nifty perspective, as long as we are able to be above today's low, which is 36,300, and 36,500 is the make or break level. As long as we are above 36,500, we are more likely to retest 36,800 levels. By any chance we open below 36,500 and are able to break 36,300, probably another 100 to 100 points downside is possible. See, the market is extremely volatile and in a range bound kind of a situation. Here you have to be very quick. Don't expect anything more than 50 points to on the Nifty and more than 100 points on Bank Nifty. You have to do only scalp trades, and that is where you will be able to make some profits. Otherwise what happens is it would go down, you will not book profit. It will go up, you will not book profit. It will be actually a big challenge, because market is in the as I said, market is sideways, and as long as it is sideways, it is better either don't trade, or if you are trading, it has to be a scalp trade. It cannot be more than 100 points for Bank Nifty and more than 50 points for Nifty. As long as you are doing that, probably you will be able to easily make some quick money. If not, then you are more likely to lose money here. So until unless this range is broken, probably you can avoid. Not since the global market are actually looking weak. I don't expect any extraordinary move to happen. Even by any chance we actually make a new high, I think again the selling may start coming from that place. So you need to be careful from that perspective. Overall, as I said, market is more range bound and you need to actually trade accordingly. If you are liking the information whatever I'm sharing here with you in this video, put a comment saying that you are actually getting benefited, or just type in yes, so that I know that something is actually really helping you. And if you're not a part of my Telegram channel, this Crazy Money with Tree, go and join that, and like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you very much guys, have a great and prosperous day. Bye bye, see you.